Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use effects on Instagram Live. Instagram users are able to apply various effects while they are live streaming on the app. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can use them. Log into your Instagram account and go to the Home tab. After that, click on the plus icon at the top of the screen. Go right on the bottom menu and hit the live option. Now you need to press on the button in order to start live streaming. Once your live video screen opens, find the effects icon on the right-hand side of the screen and tap it. A panel with different effects will appear at the bottom of the screen. So choose the one you like. Keep in mind that during your live video, Instagram allows you to try as many effects as you would like. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use effects on Instagram Live. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.